birds made a little nest in here.
Hey, nee.
You can see them up there now.
Nee. Eten, up.
Little nest in our sweet bean tree. This is the sweet beans. This one's not quite ripe yet.
Not. The other one looks a little bit bigger.
Yeah, this is just as big, if not bigger, than the ones they were selling. So how do we pick this? Just twist it?
No, one was, you said it had mold.
This one's so moldy, look. There's that white stuff, unless it's bird poop or something.
Get up. It's on this side. Yes.
Oh yeah, this one's covered with ants.
Huh?
It's covered with ants now. Probably ready, they're eating the fruit.
No, that's skinny. Look here. This here.
With a big one in the middle. Okay, then cut it then. You got something to cut it with?
Or you just twisted?
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh no, we're gonna break the plant.
Yeah, you're gonna break the arm of the tree, maybe. This is the sweet bean.
Maybe this is good.
Probably is.
Let's open it.
Okay, we'll open this up and we'll see what it looks like inside. It's heavy.
It's probably ready, right? It is ready.
Oh, ice cream
my
beans!
goodness.
Ice cream beans! Wow, try it. Tell us what it tastes like. Is it ice cream? Mmm.
Ready as ready can be. Look, the seed's gonna make fruit again. Look.
Mm-hmm. I'll drop the seed. Ice cream beans, guys. Delicious.
It is ready.
Make some more trees. Well, up there's a big fat one. Probably ready too.
That's ready. No?
Probably. Pick it tomorrow. Meanwhile, we plant these. Start making some more trees.
Really? You want to make more trees?
We got 2 more plantations. They're empty. We're going to plant there.